feeling overwhelmed by messy projects and disorganized teamwork? Let's transform the chaos into a streamlined symphony of productivity by mastering Basecamp setup in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Basecamp account. If you don't have one, head to Basecamp.com and start a free trial. It's a great way to explore its features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you see all your projects. Click the New Project button to start fresh. Give your project a clear and descriptive name, like Marketing Campaign Q, so everyone knows exactly what it's about. Now, customize your project tools. Basecamp offers to-dos, messages, schedule, docs and files, Campfire, which is for real-time chat, and automatic check-ins. Choose the tools that best fit your project's needs. For example, a design project might heavily rely on docs and files and messages for feedback. Next, let's fine-tune your notification preferences. Click on your profile picture, then go to My Notifications. Decide how you want to be notified about project updates, email, push notifications, or both. Tailor these settings to avoid information overload. Time to add your team. Click on People and Teams. In the main menu, invite your team members by entering their email addresses. Assign appropriate roles: administrator, manager, or standard user based on their responsibilities. Administrators have full control, while standard users have more limited access. Finally, explore Basecamp's boosts, like reporting, workflow automations, and resource planning for added functionality. These are optional, but can greatly enhance your team's productivity. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Basecamp account for optimal collaboration. Now go forth and conquer your projects with newfound efficiency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.